This is the brief on task parking. Today, we're diving into psychiatrist Dr. Phang Cheng Kar's mindful gym strategies to solve a totally universal problem, trying to focus on one critical task while your brain is basically hijacked by an inner traffic jam of unrelated chores and worries. First, let's look at the root cause of this overwhelm, which is the illusion of simultaneous responsibility. Our brains mistakenly believe we literally have to carry every single responsibility in the exact same second. It's exactly like trying to carry 10 overflowing grocery bags from the car all at once. You just end up dropping the whole shebang instead of simply setting a few bags down so you can actually unlock the front door. Second, let's get into the practical fix, which is the core tool of task parking. When your mind is overloaded with unfinished business, use specific mental phrases to park them, like, "Not now, later," "Park this first," or "I'll come back to this." But wait, you might be wondering, isn't parking a task just a fancy way of procrastinating or ignoring it? Finally, we arrive at the real benefit, securing your present attention. Task parking isn't ignoring your worries, it's actually honoring them by gently scheduling them for later. By actively telling your brain a task is perfectly safe to be parked, you successfully free up your present attention to focus securely on the immediate, critical task at hand. You don't have to carry the weight of tomorrow's problems today. Just park them and focus on the step in front of you.